Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the snap to align option on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the notes section you can find the last button, the snap to align. Click to the next arrow icon, and here you can enable or disable different functions. For example, the snap to object, the snap to angle, and others. New, if you want to disable, just click that and just click the next white circle icon, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled, and if it will be turned blue, is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.